Looking for the hottest products to sell in Q1 2025? In this video, we reveal 5 trending product ideas backed by data from AMZScout to help you maximize your sales in the new year. Stick around until the end, and if you want access to detailed reports with even more product ideas for upcoming seasons, check the link in the description. Product idea. Number 1, Matcha Ceremony Set. This Japanese matcha ceremony set is perfect for creating a traditional matcha experience. It includes a bamboo whisk, tea bowl, scoop, sieve, and more. Ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Why people buy it. Authentic and enjoyable tea-making experience. Highly giftable for holidays, birthdays, and special occasions. Fits the health-conscious trend, appealing to tea lovers worldwide. Why it's a great product to sell. This niche is lightly saturated with less than 343 listings for the keyword Matcha Ceremony Set on Amazon. Average monthly revenue is $18,732 with consistent sales year-round. Its lightweight and compact size make it affordable to ship, and you can stand out with better designs or unique packaging options. Niche data highlights. AVG. Monthly sales, 843 units. AVG. Monthly revenue, $18,732. Excellent gift potential, making it a strong seller during celebrations and holidays. Why now? Because based on these informations, the matcha trend is still growing, and high-quality sets like these are in demand for personal use and gifting. This product is a perfect choice for Q1 2025. In the report, you'll also find valuable profit-driving keywords that will be incredibly useful not only for your advertising campaigns, but especially for anyone selling on Amazon. And if you watch the video until the end, I'll show you some examples to help you understand how it all works. Want to discover more winning product ideas like this for Q1 and beyond? Get access to AMZScout's detailed reports by clicking the link in the description. Don't miss your chance to stay ahead of the competition. With the AMZScout report, you'll not only gain insights into top-performing products like the Matcha Ceremony Set, but also receive the details of a trusted supplier on AliExpress. Plus, the report includes a direct link. Simply click, and you'll be taken straight to the supplier's page to start sourcing immediately. Ready for another fantastic product idea for Q1 2025? Stick with us as we explore a giftable, high-demand product that's perfect for birthdays year-round. And if you want the full AMZScout report with niche history, product trends, and more, check the link in the description to get access. Product idea number 2, LED birthday card. This LED birthday card isn't just a card, it's a full birthday experience. Featuring a cute cat design, music, lights, and a fun blowable candle, it's a delightful way to make any celebration magical. Why people buy it? Unique and interactive with music, lights, and a pop-up design. Perfect for cat lovers and thoughtful gifting. Works for all ages, making every birthday extra special. Why it's a great product to sell. This niche has low competition with only around 431 results for the keyword LED birthday card on Amazon. Sellers with under 100 reviews are still moving over 100 units monthly, showing strong potential for newcomers. With nearly 12,000 birthdays celebrated daily in the US, the customer base is massive and the product isn't seasonal, providing year-round revenue opportunities. Sellers can stand out by offering better designs, competitive pricing, or adding complementary items like gift bags or decorative envelopes. Niche data highlights AVG. Monthly sales, 1,394 units. AVG. Monthly revenue, $15,862. Estimated revenue for top seller, $50,779 with 3,442 sales monthly. These figures confirm high demand and strong profit margins in this niche. Why now? The market for interactive and personalized gifts continues to grow, and with only a few competitors, now is the perfect time to establish yourself in this niche. With the AMZScout report, you'll discover everything you need about top-selling products like the LED birthday card, including the details of a reliable supplier on AliExpress. The report even provides a clickable link that takes you directly to the supplier's page, making it easy to start sourcing and boosting your sales. Curious about more profitable products and niche insights? The AMZScout report gives you everything you need, from sales history to Google keyword trends. Click the link in the description to access it and stay ahead of the competition. Product idea number 3, rechargeable heated socks. Rechargeable heated socks are a game changer for anyone facing cold winters or spending long hours outdoors. With a rechargeable 7500 mAh battery, these socks provide up to 14 hours of consistent warmth, making them perfect for skiing, hiking, or even outdoor work. They're crafted from breathable, quick-drying cotton and feature 4 adjustable heat levels, ensuring comfort for all kinds of users. For those with poor circulation or arthritis, these socks offer a practical and comforting solution. Why this product stands out. This niche is still relatively untapped, with an average of just 271 reviews across listings. Despite this, some sellers are generating impressive monthly revenues of over $18,500 with fewer than 300 units sold. This low competition means there's significant room for new entrants. One of the key advantages of this product is its versatility. Sellers can differentiate by introducing variations such as enhanced battery life, new designs, or bundled options like hand warmers. Additionally, its compact and lightweight nature makes it cost-effective for fulfillment and appealing for customers. Seasonality and demand. These socks are in high demand from October through March, offering a seasonal sales boost. With an average monthly revenue of $41,414 in this niche, they represent an excellent opportunity for sellers looking to capitalize on winter trends. Best practices for sellers. To make the most of this opportunity, focus on improving product listings. Better images, detailed descriptions, and optimized keywords can significantly enhance visibility. Speaking of keywords, phrases like rechargeable heated socks and winter heated socks are among the most searched, making them essential for product descriptions and ad campaigns. Product idea 4, preserved rose with necklace. The preserved rose with a heart necklace is a beautiful, timeless gift that lasts for years, thanks to the unique preservation process. Made from real fresh flowers, this rose can remain vibrant for 3 out of 5 years without any maintenance. The product comes in an elegant jewelry box with built-in lighting, adding a touch of sophistication. To make the gift even more special, it includes a heart-shaped necklace that says "I love you" in 100 different languages, making it a truly heartfelt present. Why this product is popular. This product is particularly attractive for customers looking for meaningful gifts for special occasions. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or even December holidays, offering sellers significant sales opportunities during peak times like December, February, and May. With a unique offering like this, it's easy to see why it makes a perfect gift for loved ones. Why it's a great idea to sell. The preserved rose niche is currently relatively untapped, with only a few reviews and no dominant established brands. This gives new sellers a great opportunity to carve out their market space and stand out with a unique design or better pricing. Offering personalized versions of this product can increase customer engagement and create an opportunity for higher pricing, as many customers prefer unique, customized gifts. In fact, this product has been seeing steady sales, with the average monthly revenue at $8,147 and around 297 units sold monthly. This provides a solid foundation for newcomers to enter the market. During peak seasons like December and February, sales can skyrocket, offering a potential boost to overall revenue. Keyword opportunities and Google Trends. When it comes to keywords, terms like preserved rose and rose with necklace are among the top search phrases for this product, so make sure to include them in your product descriptions and ads. Sellers who can leverage these keywords effectively are more likely to stand out in search engines. Bonus insight from AMZScout report. One of the key insights the AMZScout report provides is access to product sales, price history, and even the most relevant suppliers. If you're interested in sourcing this item, you can find a link to a reliable supplier on AliExpress within the report. This supplier offers these preserved rose boxes at a price range of $3.99 to $6.99 per box, with a minimum order of just 10 boxes, allowing you to start small and test the product without a large initial investment. Whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your product line, the preserved rose with necklace is a unique and elegant offering that can truly make a difference in your e-commerce business. Check out the AMZScout report to explore more details and take the next step in your journey. Let's go with the last product for ETHS video, the product idea Jura 5, Hydrangea Artificial Flowers. The Hydrangea Artificial Flowers set is a great choice for anyone looking to offer beautiful and versatile floral decor. This set includes 104 ivory hydrangea flower heads and matching stems, perfect for various decorating needs. The flowers are crafted from lifelike silk cloth, and the flexible plastic stems have an iron wire core for easy customization. This makes the product ideal for creating romantic decorations for weddings, parties, or other special events. Whether used in wreaths, arches, or background arrangements, these artificial flowers can enhance any space with their elegant appearance. Why sell it? The niche shows strong demand with over 1,600 monthly keyword searches and steady sales throughout the year. While some established sellers are present, the market isn't monopolized and there's room for new sellers. Ivory variations dominate, accounting for 60% of sales, making it a clear winner to focus on. Amazon stats: price $69.99, estimated revenue $24,231 a month, estimated sales 355 units, month reviews 67, low competition. Niche insights: average monthly sales $373, average monthly revenue $7,336, supplier information: cost $013, $016 per piece, minimum order 50 pieces. Google Trends: search terms like artificial flowers and artificial hydrangea show consistent interest, ensuring stable demand year-round. The AMZScout report not only gives detailed insights into sales and demand, but also provides access to the most relevant suppliers for your products. For example, you can find a reliable supplier on AliExpress who offers these artificial hydrangea flowers at a competitive price range of $0.13, $0.16 per piece, with a minimum order of just 50 pieces. This low initial investment allows you to test the product without committing to a large order, which is a great strategy for new sellers. By leveraging the insights from the AMZScout report, you can confidently explore this product and market it effectively, knowing that it has steady demand and significant profit potential. If you're ready to start your e-commerce journey the right way, here's a major advantage you can benefit from: the Listing Optimization Report, created exclusively for your product by AMZScout. With this service, you'll get a fully SEO optimized listing tailored specifically for your product, helping you stand out and attract more customers on Amazon. This is an opportunity to supercharge your visibility and sales right from the start. Here's how it works. Decide how many listings you want, 1 or 3, it's up to you. Place your order. Just click the link below in the description. Fill out a brief questionnaire. It's quick and easy to provide key details about your product. Wait 10 business days. AMZScout's experts will create the perfect SEO optimized listing for you. Receive your listing optimization report. You'll get a customized product title, bullet points, description, and the most relevant keywords and search terms to boost your ranking. If you're ready to dive into e-commerce or take your business to the next level, the opportunities are endless. Each product we've covered today offers incredible potential, and with the right strategies, success is within reach. Remember, it's all about choosing the right niche and optimizing your listings for maximum visibility and sales. Make sure to check the description below for valuable resources and tools to help you get started the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.